Lord himself summons all the bold and the valiant and the esteemed, for never did war or urgency constrain him more. And by this one he is strongly grieved, for the true cross and the king are taken, and the sepulchre has need of succor. So let us all believe with loyal, sure faith, that the holy fire may descend there as one sees it. For which reason he who believes this makes no effort. He who is count and duke and will be king has placed himself in front, for which his worth is double, for he wants more worth than a man of the two laws, of the Christians and of the unbaptized. And if he wants worth, it appears in his deeds, for he wants as much worth and as much good fortune, for which reason his worth grows now and improves, that he wants the worth of the evil and the worth of the good. So much he loves worth, that he retains both of them.